Hello and welcome to the Calumet Wilderness with Sam Love. I'm your host, Sam Love, doing my favorite thing in the world, or one of them. I'm going to set some of the earth on fire today. Stick around.
Feel for it instead of just a memorization.
All right, we ready?
All right, we're off. Let's do it.
Yeah. I guess try to keep it up as higher.
Half of it at least.
Do you think we should go along? Do you think we should go along the edge first to cut that out, or do you think it's going to go up the hill?
Yeah, I think we want to go along the edge and along the dump, and then we'll just keep going along the edge.
Yeah, because this. Oh wow! Look at how much it's holding.
It's holding the fuel. Yeah. It's already going to be better, I think.
Yeah.
What's the story of this dump stuff?
An old farmer. Oh, the classic story.
Every farm has a dump, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So usually we got to leave them in the fire a little bit, Doug, to warm up. Cause
It's pretty good.
you got maybe a superior.
Burn back here. That way we don't have to worry about staining in the fire to put out.
Yeah, we want to make sure that we could probably light another line right here up to where nobody has the
Yeah, it's a bit colder today than everybody thought it would be. It's in the mid-30s, and we thought it'd be in the low 50s, but now it doesn't matter because it's very cozy out here.
You have any coaches?
No, I have.
Oh my God, that hider's job.
So my job today, besides being your loyal host, is I got this tamper here. And it's just sort of running over any areas on the edges that are burning. Like up here, we're right up against the national park boundary. It hasn't burned. We don't want spot fires getting in there. So I just run this thing over the ground. That's pretty much it. I think we're about 2/3 of the way done with this burn right now. It's been going fantastic. I mean, it's something to watch the fire go uphill so easily. Or the chickens. You know, the chickens are very busy right now. We're hoping we get all the way out to Lake George. And if we don't, you know, we'll walk out there and have a peek. But yeah, I gotta stay close to the fire. It gets cold when I'm not near it. if you do control burns, may your back lines always line your back. May your fire breaks always break your fire. And I hope your eyes aren't burning as much as mine are right now. That's some sharp lines right there, my friends. Now we're in adventure mode. We're right on the border of the, well, we're on the national.
The trail, I think, is right there.
Mm-hmm.
See that little,
Yeah.
I think they did a circle here. But if you go down here, and then if any water or anything, it's a pretty easy walk.
Well, mission accomplished. That was a great burn. That was one of the best burns I've done, definitely. And I've been doing this for 9 years now. So, you know, when you see those back lines stay straight and you see that fire climb up the hills like that, and just stand by and watch and make sure the fire doesn't go where you don't want it to go. So, whew, I'm tired. Well, thank you again for checking out another episode, another adventure of the Calumet Wilderness. Once again, thank you to the property owners out here for allowing me and others on here to be part of this regeneration of the Calumet region. I think work like this is so important. You know, we talk about the national park and you know, the smaller groups like Shirley Hines and Save the Dunes, and they do great work, no doubt about it. But private landowners who are responsible, I think, nice hawk flying behind me there. See, nature loves this spot out here. So thank you again to everybody who's clicked the subscribe button, hit the like button, shares, leaves comments. Really appreciate all you for that. And private owners taking what was once cattle grazing land or agricultural land and just bringing it back to what it was before all this development. I think it's a very noble thing. So thank you all for that. And I will see you in another adventure of the Calumet Wilderness.